Customized development of PlantTools. Due to different working methods and requirements, you often need custom functions for your planning software and plant engineering, which are either not found at all or not supported to the fullest extent in AutoCAD Plant 3D or the worldwide used auxalia PlantTools. That's why we are developing our PlantTools together with you to fulfill your wishes. For this purpose, we start with a workshop in which we discuss the details of your specific requirements. Afterwards, the fully developed solution will be integrated into PlantTools, maintained and supported by us into the future. Since we also make the application available to other customers, the development cost to you is automatically discounted, as we cover the remaining costs. Based on the workshop, we create a specification for development in several cycles and get your approval. After a down payment, we start with the software development. We document our progress and provide intermediate versions or detailed videos. This allows you to test the new functions in advance and provide feedback. We incorporate this feedback into the continued development process. When implementing a function that not only helps you but also other customers, minor change requests are considered also. At the end of the development cycle, the function is finally integrated into one of the PlantTools and released. All that remains is the final payment to complete the development project. Since 2008, we have been developing our PlantTools with more than 30 years of experience in customer-specific requirements. In the process, new PlantTools and helpful applications for your everyday work are continuously being created. We have already been able to support countless customers in making their planning processes more efficient, saving time, and avoiding errors in drawing and data creation. Do you have further questions about PlantTools or the development processes? We at Auxalia will be happy to assist you with our team.